How to fix Messenger, please check your internet connection. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if Messenger says to please check your internet connection. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Messenger app says you to please check your internet connection, why does this happen and how you can fix it? Well, in order to fix it, whenever Messenger application says to please check your internet connection, the first of all step to fix it is to simply do what it says. Just check your internet connection. That's the only way to go about it, because no applications are going to tell you to not check your internet connection if they are not connected to the internet already. So just make sure your internet is working fine. If you're doubtful, just try to use Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, or any of the other messaging apps that you have and see if you can message them. If you can't, then it's most likely because your internet isn't working. Other than that, there are a couple of bugs within the application that we can fix, and then for that, just long press the Messenger app icon, tap the app info option here, then just scroll down and just go to storage tab. Just tap on clear cache, and if possible you can also try to clear the data. Once you've done that, you can just come back, open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, just type in Messenger, check if the Messenger app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have definitely helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.